Hello friends, I am Sakshi Jadhav. Today I explain you what is mean by organization, which are the types of organization and steps of organizing. So friends, today's my topic is types of organization and steps of organizing. What is mean by organization? When we hear word organization, then we think that organization means a big company, but it not means that. Organization is a group of people who perform specific tasks or work for achieving their goals. A social unit of people that is structured and managed to meet a need or to purpose collective goals. All organizations have a management structure that determines relationship between the different activities and the members and subdivides and assigns role, responsibilities and authority to carry out different tasks. Organizations are open system. They affect and are affected by their environment. Which are the types of organization? First, line or scalar organization. Second, functional organization. Third, line and staff organization. Fourth, project organization. First one, line or scalar organization. Line organization is the most oldest and simplest method of administrative organization. According to this type of organization, the authority follows from top to bottom in a concern. The line of command is carried out from top to bottom. Second, functional organization. Functional organization has been divided to put the specialist in the top position throughout the enterprises. This is an organization in which we can define as a system in which functional departments are created to deal with the problem of business at various levels. Functional authority remains confined that to functional guidance to define to different departments. Third, line and staff organization. Line and staff organization is a modification of line organization and it is more complex than line organization. Line and staff organization is totally opposite to the line organization. Line organization is the oldest and simple organization method. But line and staff organization is a more complex than line organization. According to this administrative organization, specialized and supportive activities as attached to the line of command by appointing staff supervisors and staff specialists who are attached to the line authority. Fourth one is a project organization. A project organization is one in which a project structure is created as a separate unit or division within a permanent functional structure. Drawing specialists and workers from various functional departments who work under the overall leadership, control and coordination of a project manager to a complete projects of a technical and costly nature. What is meant by steps of organizing? Which are the steps of organizing? There are following steps of organizing. First one is a identification and division of work. Second step is a grouping the jobs and departmentalization. Third one is a assignment of duties. Fourth one, establishing reporting relationship. Applications of organization. Following are the applications of organization. First one is a specialization, coordination, effective administration, growth and diversification, sense of security, scope for new changes. These all are the applications of organization. Which are the future features of organization? First, composition of interrelated individuals. Second, deliberated and conscious creation and recreation. Achievement of common objective, division of work, coordination, cooperative relationship, well-defined authority responsibility relationship. Hence, we studied about types of organization and steps of organizing, gathered information about organization and types of organization and steps of organizing using various references from internet. Thank you.